Good morning, students. Welcome to the first class of the class 9th, the first biology class of class 9th. In this, we are going to start with the 5th chapter of your NCERT book, that is the fundamental unit of life. Okay, let's start now. We know that every organism, each and every living organism is made up of the small functional units, and these units are called the cell. We define the cell as that the cell is a structural and the functional unit of life. Why the structural? Because all the organism structure cannot be imagined without the cell, and functional, all the functions are performed by the cell only. So that's why we define the cell as a structural and the functional unit of our life. Now in a small portion we'll discuss the discovery of the cell. We will not go with the detail. According to the class 9th only we'll discuss it. That the cell was observed by the scientist, that is Robert Hooke. He observed cell in 1665, and he first observed the cell in the bottle cap of the bottle, that is called cork. Now what is cork? Cork is made from the dark brown portion of the tree, that is called the bark, and that bark is used to make the cork. Is it clear? Now he observed that in his self-made compound microscope, and in this he observed that the small rooms are there, and these small rooms he named cell. And he described it in his book, that is called Micrographia. After that, after so many years, in 1674, Leeuwenhoek, another scientist, discovered the first living cell, and he discovered the first living cell in the pond fish. Okay, he used the semen, the sperm of the pond fish. Now after that, in 1838, the scientists, that is Schedin and Schwann, both of them given the theory, and the theory is called the cell theory, and in this theory they described the important points for the cell. The first point they given was all the living organisms are made up of one or more cells. One or more cell means on the basis of the one or more cells, we will discuss this in the further classes, that there are the organisms, some organisms that are made up of only one cell, and there are the number of the organisms made up of more than one cell, as we are the human beings made up of more than one cell. Amoeba, paramecium, all are the unicellular organisms that made up of only the one cell. So it means all the living organisms, the smallest or the largest, are made up of the cell only. Some are made up of the one cell, and some are the more than one cell. The next one is the cell is the basic structural and the functional unit in all living organisms. Means all the living organisms, the smallest or the largest, are made up of the cell only, and all the functions are being performed by the organism, or the structure of the organism is made up of the cell only. Now the next one is all the cells, whatever the cells, the new cells are being forming, the cells always form from the pre-existing cell. None of the other new cells is not going to form. All the new cells that are being formed always formed from the pre-existing cell. Means the cells that is being existing is only responsible for the formation of the new cell. This is all about of this class. Further we'll discuss in the other class. Thank you.